Hey, what's up YouTube and TikTok? So my grandma passed away in 2017. This was when we were celebrating her birthday about 10 years ago. Anyway, she died from COPD and her name was Peggy. And so I just wanted to see if there's a way where she's connected through me some way. Her last words in the ICU in the hospital were "I love you," so I want to try to get those. So her hex sum is this, and then let's get started in the Gem Finder 9000. I'll see you there. Alright guys, so now we need to paste her hex sum in here, and then we need to click on convert and update. Well, I'm going to type in my first name, which is all capitals, in all capitals, which is Nick, and then we're going to find our first letter right here, which is going to be on any operation, and it's going to be 73, which is the ASCII representation for the capital I, and that goes all the way to 73 in ASCII. Next letter, I should say, we need to go to the modulus down here, which is, we're going to get 75 right here, which is for K, and we're going to add 78 to this, which is going to equal 153, and then we get that 153, and we minus the 51 right here, which is 102, and then we add 4, which is 4 characters in the ASCII string Nick, and then we add 1 right here, and then we add 1 right there, and that equals 108 in ASCII. And then for our next character, we need to go to the modulus operator here. We're already here, and we're going to get 252 minus the 75, which is 177, and then we're going to minus 67 from that, which is 110, and then we get that 110 plus the G right here, which is going to be 111 in ASCII, 111 right there. And then for the next one, we need to go to the addition, and we're going to get 75 right here, which represents the K in ASCII, and we're going to add 1 to that, which is going to be the G right here, and that's going to be 76 in hex. Okie dokie. And then for the next letter, we're going to go to the modulus operator right here, and we're going to get 67, which is the K representation for the capital C. And we're going to minus 1 right here, and then we're also going to minus the G after the modulus, and that's going to be 65 in hex. And for the next character, we need to go to the modulus. We're already here. Well, we're going to get 78, which is the first letter, the capital N, ASCII, and we're going to plus the G, which is going to be 79, and that's going to turn into 79 hex. And then for the next character, this is kind of long, we're going to use the modulus operator, and we're going to get the B value in the decimal RGB, which is 252, and we're going to minus 75, which is 177. Okay, and then we have the minus 67 from that, which is 110, and then our last 0, we added the G on the decimal RGB, but for this one, since we can't use the same one over again, we have to use the G value after the modulus is done, and that's going to equal 111 in ASCII right here, which is another letter for 0. And final character, it's in the modulus, and we get 75, which is the capital K ASCII, and then that's just going to go directly to 75 in hex. So let's clear that out. And let's put these gems into the little visualizer here, and let's animate this out, and we get "I love you." That's what she said to me in the hospital room. And I love you too, Grandma. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day.